Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's explainer is tackling something a lot of us have been thinking about lately. I mean, if you've been navigating modern urban transit, you already know finding the right commuter vehicle is incredibly tough. So today, we're uncovering the true everyday value of a machine that's definitely been turning some heads, the Mooncool Pop folding electric bike. We're going to look right past the marketing fluff and figure out exactly what this bike actually offers the daily urban commuter. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's dive into this because this really is the fundamental question, isn't it? When we think of folding bikes, we usually picture something, well, kind of fragile. We picture a compromise, tiny frames, really small motors, and a ride that frankly feels a bit like a toy. It's easy to assume that by gaining the ability to fold the bike up, we're inherently sacrificing durability and power. But I want to completely challenge that assumption today by looking at what is actually under the hood of this specific model. 1,056 watts. No way, right? But that is the actual peak motor power of the Mooncool Pop. It has a 750-watt rated motor, sure, but it absolutely peaks at over 1,000 when you really need a burst of energy. I love this because it just immediately subverts our expectations. You are literally looking at raw, heavy-duty power packed into a space-saving, compact frame. This isn't just about leisurely little rides through the park. This is about having the necessary torque to just conquer steep city hills or accelerate safely when you're caught in traffic.
Section 1. Meet the Pop. Anatomy of a commuter. So we've established the raw power, but let's translate this dense spec sheet into what it actually means for your everyday human experience on a daily commute.
There is just an incredible contrast in these numbers. The net weight of the bike itself is only 67 pounds, but it can comfortably support a massive max load of 330 pounds. That kind of structural integrity is fascinating for a folding frame. You can carry your heavy backpack, a week's worth of groceries, and the frame won't even flinch. Plus, it accommodates riders all the way from 4'9" to 6'5". It's honestly incredibly rare to find a geometry that adapts to such a massive variance in human size while still maintaining that rigid weight capacity. And this brilliantly illustrates how the bike manages all that weight on a standard commute. You've got two primary modes of operation, powered by the 48-volt, 13.6 amp-hour lithium battery. Say you're totally exhausted after a long day and you just want to twist the throttle. No pedaling at all. You get about 45 kilometers, which is roughly 28 miles of range. But if you want to put in a little combined effort on pedal assist level 1, that range stretches out to 65 kilometers, or about 40 miles. The battery dynamically adapts to whatever your daily energy levels and needs happen to be.
Right out of the box, the top default safe speed is set to 20 miles per hour. That is perfectly tuned for city bike lanes, ensuring you stay well within legal safety limits in most urban areas. But for those of you who might have a longer, more open commute and are a bit more speed hungry, you can actually jump into the settings on the 3.5-inch color display and adjust that speed limit up to 28 miles per hour. It really gives you the flexibility to ride exactly how you want.
Section 2. The chassis. Safety and comfort. Because, let's be real, what good is all that speed and power if you don't feel completely safe and comfortable out there in traffic? Let's just rapid fire through these premium features because they paint a really clear picture. First up, 180mm hydraulic disc brakes. We aren't talking standard mechanical brakes here. Hydraulic means highly responsive, way shorter stopping distances, whether it's pouring rain or bone dry. Then you've got the Shimano 7-speed tourney shifter to handle varying road resistance. Add in the thick 20x3-inch wear-resistant tires, a 3-in-1 rear lamp with steady, brake, and turn signals. Oh, and the entire electrical system is SGS certified to the UL 2849 standard. That is literally the gold standard for e-bike fire and electrical safety. It's a completely comprehensive safety ecosystem.
So, the crucial point is how all of this connects to the physical feel of the ride. When you combine that optimized aluminum frame with this specific feature, a 60mm hydraulic shock absorber right on the front fork, you are dramatically reducing the vibration transfer from the street to your wrists and spine. If you hit a pothole or rough urban pavement, the suspension just eats that impact. It directly translates to way less rider fatigue and a much smoother, much more controlled ride.
Section 3. Practicality. The folding factor. Okay, it's safe and powerful, but where does it go when you aren't actually riding it?
In a matter of seconds, this entire machine collapses down to just 40 by roughly 30 by 31 inches. I mean, that portability is a real game changer. It completely eliminates the anxiety of street bike theft because you can slide it neatly into an office corner right under your boss's nose, or just tuck it easily into your car trunk. You could even stow it away in an RV if you're taking the whole shebang on a road trip.
Now, I know a lot of people feel a deep sense of dread when they order something mechanical online. The fear of assembling a bike from scratch can be totally overwhelming. But look how simple these steps are. The Pop arrives 90% pre-assembled right to your front door. You literally just open the box, use the tools they include for you, and make a few final adjustments. They even provide a step-by-step guided assembly video. You are going from a closed cardboard box to hitting the pavement in just a matter of minutes.
This is a frequently asked question straight from the source material, and I think it's absolutely vital to address. Is this e-bike suitable for seniors or folks needing some extra stability? The answer is a resounding yes. Because of that low standover height, the robust suspension, and those thick 3-inch tires we discussed earlier, this bike is specifically engineered with ease of use and maximum stability right in mind. It provides a highly accessible, totally confidence-inspiring ride for older adults or anyone who might feel a bit unsteady on a traditional, thin-tired road bike.
Section 4, the logistics, price, warranty, and extras. We understand the machine now, but what exactly is the real value proposition when you're handing over your hard-earned money?
A lot of times in the e-bike industry, you get hit with annoying hidden fees. You buy the bike, but oh wait, the fenders are extra, the cargo rack is extra. Not here. The removable battery, full front and rear fenders, and an integrated alloy rear rack are all baked right into the base package. It is a true turnkey commuter out of the box. Add on top of that free shipping within 2 to 10 days, a 1-year warranty, and free replacement parts, and you have a heavily consumer-friendly setup.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the current market positioning. The regular retail price for this kind of power and feature set sits right at $1,700. But currently, the sale price drops all the way down to $1,200. For a bike with a 1,000-watt peak motor and full hydraulic brakes, that is an incredibly aggressive price point.
That is a flat savings of $500. And to sweeten the pot, buyers also earn $11.99 rewards points in Mooncool system for future accessories or gear. When you frame it this way, you aren't just buying a toy. You're making a calculated financial investment in your daily mobility. You're saving on gas, saving on parking, and keeping an extra $500 in your pocket right at checkout.
I want to pull this quote directly from Mooncool's mission statement. They say their goal is to enable everyone to have a free and healthy lifestyle. I think this perfectly ties all the cold hard technical specs we just looked at back to the human element. The folding frame, the safety features, the accessible price, it's all designed to remove the barriers between you and getting outside, moving freely, and reclaiming your commute from the daily gridlock.
So, what does this all mean? We've seen the 1,056 watts of peak power, we've seen how it folds down to fit right beside a desk, we've seen the hydraulic brakes, and that crazy 330-pound load capacity. With heavy-duty power meticulously packed into a space-saving fold, is the Pop the ultimate solution to your urban commute? Well, only you can decide how it fits into your daily routine. But I highly encourage you to dive deeper and see if this is the ride that finally changes how you navigate your city. Thanks so much for learning with me today, and I'll catch you on the next Explain.
Hey everyone, welcome back.